Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we've got a special drink for you. Do you like vodka martinis, but your hands are just too big to hold the martini glass? Don't worry. We've got a new twist for you. We've got a martini on the rocks, so let's get into it, guys. This is a martini for a barbecue. This is a martini for a backyard party. This is a martini that you can hold in your hand and walk around very securely, that you don't have a delicate glass in it. Please click that subscribe button and look out for the little bell notification every time we upload a new video. You know all about the vodka martini already because we've already made that beautiful vodka martini video. But like I said, today we're going to show you a very accessible vodka martini. It is exactly the same recipe. We're just throwing a big chunk of ice in there. As per usual, never drink alone, so I'm making 2 drinks. You want to take your mixing vessel. If you've got a jar, if you've got a vase, if you've got a tin, anything you can mix and stir in, get it out. This is our mixing glass, which is 100% professional. So always start with your cheapest ingredient first. We are going for 10 mils of vermouth in this, which is kind of a little bit of a wet martini, on the verges of a wet martini, but that's good because we're on the rocks. Don't forget, always keep your vermouth in the fridge. This is wine, it is not a spirit, it will go off. Next up, the hero of all our cocktails, and the only reason I'm here making videos, Absolut Vodka, and we're gonna want 45 mils per drink going straight in. And there we have it, the martini is made. The only thing we need to do to complete this drink is chill it to a perfect temperature. So we're gonna take our usual cubed ice, our stirring spoon. Again, if you have a bar spoon, amazing. If you don't, it's okay, you can use a knife. A normal spoon, you can use a fork. Keep stirring till you get it to a nice temperature. Next up, as you can see, I've already got some ice cubes sat waiting in my glass. Double check they've not melted, there we go. Always a good idea to chill your glassware because it's exactly like food. You don't put hot food on a cold plate. You don't put cold drinks in a hot glass. It's just that simple. So you want to pour that directly over it. There we go. The martini is ready. All we've got to do is garnish it. My preferred garnish is always a lemon zest in a martini. But today, we're going old school, even more. We're gonna pop an olive in there, and there you have it, vodka martini on the rocks. If you wanted to go extra super special and go super fancy, and if you like your martinis with a little bit more of that brine juice from the olives and you like your martinis dirty, you can always try to actually freeze your olive brine with an olive in it to make the ice cube, and then just stir that through. It's gonna be a very nice dirty martini. But straight up, let's try. Look at that. Clarity, perfection, vodka martini. One thing that I get asked a lot of is, what does a vodka martini taste like? A lot of people say, it just tastes like vodka and vermouth to me. Yeah, it does, that's what it is. It tastes exactly like that. This is a very good guideline we've given you to make a very good, on the verge of a dry martini on the rocks. You may like more vermouth in it, put more vermouth in. You may like less vermouth in it, put less vermouth in. The martini is as good as you like it. However you prefer it, that's how you like your martini. There's no really wrong answers, just enjoy it. But one thing you should know as well, just in case you need to keep these martinis extra cold, there's only one thing you can do, and that is you need to just buy a giant block of ice and just keep them chilled. They'll be chilled like that all day. I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks. Peace.